Okay, Kian, call Ziggy to come inside.
Ziggy!
Where's Ziggy?
No.
Call her. Here, Kian. Give Ziggy a small piece and tell her to come inside, okay? No, not for you. That's not for you. It's for Ziggy. Give Ziggy a small piece. Okay, ask Ziggy to come inside. Come on, Zig. Kian, did you get Ziggy to come inside?
Yes.
Where's Ziggy? Did you give her the whole piece?
Daddy, look at that.
Yeah, there's a big truck. Can you ask Ziggy to come inside, please? What happened?
Having a cup, Dad. The cup.
Okay, we need to get Ziggy to come inside. Here, Kian. Take this one inside the house. Not that house. Go inside the kitchen. And then call Ziggy. No, inside. Yeah. Hey, Kian. How come the doggy's still outside? Where'd you put the chicken? Chicken's in the kitchen? Oh wow, Ziggy needs to learn some better behaviors. Yeah, that's you, Ziggy. We're gonna start working on this. You're making me late.